one. Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? More bonga people, if you have not subscribed, run and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today topic you carry weight where you gele come where cocoa children now. My ogbonge people, today topic na about one girl wey run go marry because my mates dey marry because I don come of age I wan marry, I wan run go marry, I wan marry like say tomorrow not day. My dear, you go only run enter, you go see run. Come out again. You know, that's how it go be. No hurry in life. No hurry because your mates them they marry. No hurry, no run. Now this girl to enter one chance. So this girl when I want to talk about today. She want belong marriage. I want do my marriage made big so that if my friends see my marriage and they go hail. I want to do my marriage make it big so that they begin to juggle all different oyibo. They begin to juggle all different oyibo so that when they do marriage, they begin to run, they juggle all different men they go because they want to do their marriage. Make it heavy, make I pepper there, bolale pepper there, oh, so that make I pepper there. Now she should enter one chance so. She can't do marriage, oh. The marriage you can't do one, it can't big. And I'm not the way our celebrity marriage they be now. And so she did do this her marriage, oh. She can't do one, man. The marriage can't heavy. She can't dey pepper people. He said this her marriage now. Now it be the highest. That be one it's this is marriage part two not deal. It not be like the rest people where do marriage where their marriage not too big. My dear people, I want you this people to tell you now where they do big marriage. My dear, not be by that one. Now man go take stay house. Not be by that one. Now man go take love you. Who don't not be by that by big marriage. Now marriage till they last. Not be you will do small one. You dey with your husband. They will do pepper them marriage. Where do big marriage? They see that where then deal. They see there oh this life that is why they always they tell people. You were not born pikin. Where they look say yeah your own don't finish. You never finish. Don't let people discourage you. They laugh you. The people will laugh people for this when me know when me say they laugh single mothers them. You na wait of a born pikin. When I never see husband, then see husband. They can't see born join their own children. You will be single girl whenever fair born. You nana, you can't see you want go born for man. They as in I beg, man done. They are single mothers now. People will even feel laugh single mothers there. They are single mothers now. You know, they be single mother by stupidity. Like seriously. Not because they laugh single mothers them oh. I just they talk. Like people will be say they laugh person that year. Say you will be single mother, you not go see husband. But then will not be single mother that time. But then now they be single mother now. So that's how the life be. This one I will go do prepare the marriage. I want to prepare the marriage. You can't do big marriage finish. You can't they like hey, don't go there. Shakara you can't pass Joromi. You just they send down, they give people, make they help and they share and give people who be say they do marriage, their marriage no big. They can't begin they share. They can't they share them. They can't they share them. Hey, not be smarty oh. Now they can't even share and reach where one of her friends dey oh. That friend can say make I see congratulate her. But mona give me a number, make I congratulate her. He say me they not give am. Me they not give am the number. May they not give this her friend. This her friend I know am. May they not give her. I beg. You know what talk to her. Because now she do the highest marriage wey they never do before. She no want talk to am. Abeg. Even yes, at the same place where she did. Then her husband even dey. If she come there, if he even see himself, he go both. I don't want me anybody will come from that Italy. Make they even talk to am. You know. And this Africa come say, okay, no verse, so no verse. Now I come buffer. Today now, uncle. Hey. My ogbonge people, oh, the marriage now, the girl now not there with the man again. Marriage when I even reach 1 month, she don't run. Say the man deceive am. Hey. Oh, the Agba local government will hear this one, oh. She say, now this one, Chimotalago go say, Kebuwado. She marriage just scatter. Marriage not reach 1 month. They don't separate. Everybody does share Gary. They don't go their separate ways. Oh, the Italian and the girl don't go back again. Oh, my ogbonge people, the latest now be say. Then they see her now. They carry small boys. I never should say she don't return by price. Oh. They carry different boys for corner now. I say too so fast. They say they see marriage, they will quarrel, they go see settle. But this one, she said no, you know what again, oh, upon the organic marriage. Upon the organic marriage. Hey, I said, oh, the Agba local government will hear this one. Not be only them go hear this one, oh. Hey, all the local government, they go hear them. She said she not dey marry again. She know they carry different boys. I think say sometimes husband and wife go see quarrel. They go see settle. This one say lie. Now somebody call evil advisor and say, my sister, this one we do say no good. May you try. Maybe when I see settle by you with the man. He said, God forbid. That's upon the money where they spend. Upon the different jogodo ibo where they jogodo ibo. Then they no want marry again. Now wow, this life not balance. This life not balance. The life is not balance. This life is not balance. Like seriously. So upon the organic marriage, the one will not even do organic marriage, sit there with your husband. You will do organic, una not there again. Now wow, not the way Musa not go see forget. Musa don't see, so say Musa tire forget. Musa tire forget. Oh, for me, I feel say now God even say make this man make him leave him because this time about when marriage just scatter small, you don't the joke don't different men they go. Hey, my people, oh. Now the matter, oh, I don't make the video too long, oh. More than me contribute for this one, oh, my people, oh. More than me contribute. Some women don't do their body. Some women are the highest. More not take them easy. You never ready to marry, you go to marry because your friends marry. You want to do organic marriage. My dear, if your husband not get money to do organic marriage, do a small need. Do a small. You must not do organic marriage. Then they lead you to all those things. See her now. Upon the organic marriage, you don't leave man. You don't jogo different men, they go for Italy there. Shame me. More than less shame the cash now. They say Italy for tell them bye, I'm not coming back again. I want to go another place. Now see her now. Now they say Italy don't go back to now. My people, but help me contribute for this one. Now the matter where they grant that be this one. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and bye.